In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Tableau Pulse in just 5 minutes. This simple process will allow you to quickly dive into data analysis with Tableau's powerful tools. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Tableau website. Open your preferred web browser and type in tableau.com. You'll arrive at the Business Intelligence and Analytics software homepage. This is your one-stop shop for everything Tableau has to offer. Once there, you're going to look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. If you don't already have a Tableau account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, entering your login credentials will swiftly bring you to your personalized Tableau homepage. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your Tableau home. This area is specifically tailored to provide you with access to your workbooks, data sources, and anything you've been working on recently. Now, the next part of our journey involves locating Tableau Pulse, which can be done directly from this home screen. Look for the option labeled Tableau Pulse and click on it. Tableau Pulse is designed to be your central hub for data insights, providing a seamless experience for monitoring key metrics using powerful visualizations. Once you've clicked into Tableau Pulse, you're on your way to seeing your data come to life. The next step is to select a workbook. Workbooks are the foundational elements in Tableau that contain your data and visualizations. When prompted, choose the workbook that you wish to connect with Tableau Pulse. Selecting the right workbook is crucial, as this sets the stage for which data and metrics you want to track and visualize. After selecting your workbook, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking on Connect establishes the bridge between Tableau Pulse and your chosen workbook, allowing for real-time insights and updates. This connection is what brings your data into the dynamic environment of Tableau Pulse, enabling you to leverage its advanced analytics capabilities. And just like that, you've set up Tableau Pulse with your workbook. In just a few simple steps, you've unlocked the power of data visualization, gaining the ability to explore and understand your data like never before. It's that easy. And the benefits of using Tableau Pulse can significantly enhance your data-driven decision-making process. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on setting up Tableau Pulse. I hope you found it both informative and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to explore further and discover the full potential that Tableau can offer for all your data analytics needs. Until next time.